My favorite thing about Miss Cindea is definitely the passion that she puts into her class. You can tell that she genuinely loves her students.
She's just someone who showed me that she really cares about me. She wants me to do well, and she is just invested in me and in my future.
My most favorite day is when the weakest child in the classroom understands a concept. That just motivates me to come back the next day. Or to have the student who says, oh, I've never been able to do math, or this is my worst subject, to have them say, oh my gosh, I got my first B, or I got my first A.
And I've always been kind of a pessimist when it comes to math, just kind of assuming that I can't do it. But she's definitely made me see that it's okay to make a mistake, and that if I do have a question or a problem, that she'll walk me through it.
She sat down with me, she took the time out of her day and said, what can I do to help you? How can I make this class work for you? And we sat down and we made a plan, and we worked everything out so that I was able to achieve what I wanted to achieve.
When she teaches, it's not just oh, copy down notes. It's she gets you involved, and she's kind of upbeat about everything, and she just makes it seem more of a comfortable atmosphere instead of a boring classroom.
So I know if I'm having a hard day that I can go into calculus, which sounds funny, but that's my favorite class of the whole day.
My favorite thing about Miss Cindea is that she's a genuinely nice person.
Not a day goes by that I don't try to make the world a better place, make someone smile, make someone laugh, bring someone up.
She has guilted, encouraged me to start working out, which is not something I ever thought I would be able to do or want to do, and she kind of just motivates me to be a better person physically, emotionally, just kind of to make my character a little stronger in that aspect.
I just think she's amazing. She's a very strong person.
My main obstacle, I thought my most challenge was going to be to bury my two parents. Oh, here we go again. Yeah, in February I was diagnosed with breast cancer, and all the things I thought were important, the grumbellies, the complaining, and anything, the hospice care with my parents, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm next, I'm gonna be the third. And, but getting through it was tough. I'm still getting through it. What am I saying? I'm not done. I'm still battling, I'm still fighting. Coming to this building every single day. I went to radiation, I came here. Why? Because I felt like these kids' parents, this kid's mom, I had to be here for their senior year 2 years ago. So yeah, there are obstacles in everyone's road, and I'm still getting through them, still manipulating. I'll get through, it's all good.
Probably the one word I would choose to describe Mrs. Cindea would be enthusiastic. Enthusiastic kind of encompasses everything she does in the classroom, outside of the classroom, and just everything's with love and excitement and positive energy.
Probably strong, because she's always positive no matter what, especially with everything she's been through.
Caring, because whenever she teaches, she always goes into a mom mode thing, where she'll just talk about her family, give us advice and stuff. That kind of shows how much she cares about us as a person and not just a student.
I think if I had to choose one word, it would be spunky to describe Miss Cindea. Anybody that's ever had her in class, I think, definitely understands the sentiment behind that. She has the ability to make what I think is a really boring subject really fun.
Probably energetic, because she always seems to have a pep to her no matter how hard of a day she's had or what she's going through.
Enthusiastic. I would say that Mrs. Cindea is very enthusiastic about what she does. She's always bouncing around the room, answering questions, smile on her face, just working with her students, going and doing all the 50 million committees that she is on. Very energetic, very happy.
I would choose the word strong. Mrs. Cindea in recent years have had some difficult life things to deal with, and through it all, she has stayed strong. She's had determination, and she's an inspiration to all those that know her.
If I'm an inspiration, that makes my day, because whatever I'm doing comes very naturally, very easily, and anyone can do it. It's hard work, choose what's right, stumble once in a while, get back up, and again, be kind, be nice.